In today's video, I am going to teach you how to in Pipedrive. Specifically, you will learn how to find the API section in your settings and generate a new API token, then copy it so you can store it safely for later use. Start by signing in to your Pipedrive account and making sure you are on the main interface. The option you need is in your personal settings, which are accessed from your profile menu. Move your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where your profile icon appears. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then select Personal Preferences. This area is where Pipedrive keeps account-specific settings, so it is the right place to manage access details like API tokens. Once you are in Personal Preferences, look through the available options and click API. The API page is where Pipedrive allows you to manage the token used to connect other tools or services to your Pipedrive account. These tokens act like a secure key for integrations, so treat them as confidential. Avoid sharing them in messages, screenshots, or public documents, and only store them in a trusted location that you can access later. On the API page, check whether a token already exists. If none exists, click Generate New Token. Pipedrive will create a new token for you. Take a moment to confirm you are generating it under the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or log in with multiple profiles. After the token is created, click Copy. This saves the token to your clipboard so you can paste it where it is needed, such as an integration setup screen or a secure password manager. When you paste it, double-check that you captured the full value with no missing characters, and be careful not to paste it into the wrong window or chat. Once you have copied and stored it safely, you can close out of the settings. That covers everything you need to know.